Here we have Professional Power DR, approximately a 28-inch blade on it. It's got a 14.5 gross horsepower engine on it, Intex. It's a steel brush mower. You see them on TV, they cost many, many dollars. The battery is not any good on this. You'll need a battery, the electric start. These are nice units now. Guys, I think this had a fuel gauge on it here. It had a little hole on top of the tank. They put this little deal on there. This is a nice mower now. It needs a battery. It's got reverse. It's got forward gears. It's got 4 forward gears and 1 reverse. They're nice units. They're very popular.